Welcome to Chemist Frank channel. In today's video, I'm not happy actually because God Love made a comment about me and I have to react to this, guys. All right, there's no time for greetings. This morning I woke up, guys. I went into my Instagram account, just scrolling around stories. I saw God Love talking about a video I made here on YouTube. All right, and this became of great interest. I talk about it. All right, now listen. He wrote, "Hello millionaires, I created this video responding to one charlatan, a university graduate like me, a charlatan, who did a video about LFP and me to leverage and chase clouds, right? Using my name and image. Please go and watch and let me know your thoughts on the comment sections of the video. Go and watch till the end." Alright guys, please, if like I say this guy won't buy the poor boy, you understand? So that's why I have to come up here and say my own part of the story. All right. First of all, I greet ladies and gentlemen, the accurate timekeeper, panel of judges. I greet all of you. I'm here on YouTube doing what we call honest review. All right, senior man, no go buy poor person. All right, because the way he sounded on the video. First of all, I will play some part of the clip so that you see how he's sounding. All right. Throughout the video, he's not laughing, all right? He's very mean doing the stuff. So first of all, I'm not the owner of Trustpilot, okay? Trustpilot is owned by those people. And then in Trustpilot, people say their minds, honest review. So, two, I'm not the person doing the negative reviews there. As a matter of fact, as we're even speaking now, another negative review is still dropping there. In fact, look at this. This is just coming 10 hours ago from someone. So the negative reviews has not even stopped dropping. So it is not me dropping those reviews there. So what I just did basically is going there and reading the negative reviews. In his video, he also mentioned that I never talked about the positive reviews. I only went straight to the negative reviews. Of course, the target is on the negatives. Let's know why these people are complaining. We don't want to look at the praise and worships, the musical aspect, the singing side of it. Let's go into why somebody is complaining. That was the aim of the video. Another day we can do why people are praising the prophet, but on that particular context, we wanted to see why are these people complaining. That is why, senior man, all right? And then again, now only me, my mama born, all right? We are just, yes, in my family, I'm the only person, all right? I'm the boy and I'm the girl of my family, all right? The way he's calling me charlatans here is of great concern. It's of great concern, all right? I greet you. Again, guys, please watch this video from the end. I have a gift for you at the end of this video. I have a strategy I want to share with you, okay? It is rare, but I will just give it out as a free course for those watching me, my real OG. I salute you, all right? And then I checked also on his comment sections. People are just calling me clown chaser, blah, blah. You can go through these are the comment sections as I'm scrolling it right now. People are saying, in fact, they want to choke me. All right, please, it's just an honest review. And then, senior man, we didn't want to go that far. All right. So, if Lionheart is doing well, it will sell itself. You don't even need to hype it much. In our place, we used to say, "Afioma in the room where if your market is good, it will sell itself automatically. It doesn't even need hypes or reviews. Once it's doing well, then you make the market, you make money from the business." But on my own side, all right, we never reach that level. Don't take it so high. Non-charlatan person, hey, it is so harsh. It's so harsh. Respect, God love, I respect you. Mentors, that is why in my videos, before I even start a video, I take out time to greet mentors. I greet them especially so that they know that we have regard for them. We say, give honor to who honor is due. So I greet you. I greet you, chairman. I greet you, all right? Don't see it as if there is anything. There's nothing in it. It's just me going to Trustpilot, reading out reviews there, okay? Of course, you said I didn't talk about replies you gave to those people. My interest was not on the reply because, of course, a company must always want to protect his identity. That one day. Well, your comment must always be to protect your people, right? So we're just trying to look into why this person is complaining, and that was all. And then I didn't call Lionheart a scam. I never said that. It was just a kind of a content looking at why some people are complaining about the prophet and generally the idea behind prop firm business. If you want to check out this video, which he pointed out, the link is in the description box, or just click on the link somewhere around here. You'll see the video in details and see why he actually came up to call me charlatan. I beg you, I beg. All right, so let's quickly go into the next episode of this video, which is on the chart analysis. There's a trade I took on Friday. I want to tell you why I took this trade, and you're going to learn something from me, so don't go anywhere. And if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please smash that subscribe button, click that like button. All right, it won't harm you by clicking just use this thumb, click the like button, subscribe for your boy, and nothing will happen to you. Let's go into the chart. All right, guys, this is the chart of GBP USD. As you all know, guys, I don't trade any other pair apart from GBP USD for now. All right, there are reasons why I do so. So looking at GBP USD time chart, you will see that the market looks bullish right now. Okay, if you connect trend line, let's say from here, this is the second touch. Okay, so it's all bullish, right? So the point is not about the trend line, but I want us to understand why I took a buy on GBP USD on Friday. That is why I want to review this to you. So if you observe, market move from zone to zone. Let me give you the principle I used. Okay, market move from zone to zone. Okay, head to this place, from zone to zone, zone to zone. So this is what I mean by zone to zone. As you can see, this downtrend, market was creating support and resistance. This is called a support. Okay, now this is a resistance. This market resistance. So if this market is to go up now, okay, is another the resistance. So if market is to go up, what it's going to do is when it comes to a particular zone, sometimes it reacts to it, breaks it, even retest, then react to zone, sometimes bounce to this point, retest it, then maybe sometimes liquidate it, then go to this last zone, then fall. So this is what I mean by market moves zone to zone. So, but the thing is, because it's always a probability sector, we don't know the zone which the market will respect. So that's why we need more confirmations and introduction of liquidity concept. So with liquidity concept, you will be able to know a zone that will hold and a zone that will not hold. So I'm going to show you what I did on GBP USD on Friday. But before I show you this, there is a site I use to check on news fundamentals. We call it Fast Bull. Okay, Fast Bull helps you with your news calendar. Okay, so with Fast Bull, you can track economic news. We call it economic calendar. As you can see, this is from Monday, that is next week Monday. These are the relevant news you have. You can actually filter it. Maybe you don't like other pairs like Euro. You don't trade Euro or GBP or JPY. You can remove news for JPY, CAD, AUD, CHF. Just remove all these ones. Agricultural, energy, metals. Then focus on Euro, USD pairs. You can also remove Euro. So because I'm trading GBP USD, I think this is just the most relevant news for me. And of course, you know correlation, which Fast Bull also provide you with correlation, Forex correlation. You know Euro USD correlates with GBP USD, so is likely to carry along GBP USD. That is, if Euro USD is going bullish, GBP USD will also go bullish. So that's why I have to activate this trade. Now also, you can also choose the importance of the news. If it is trade strength, that is high impact news, then you highlight this, remove others, so that your focus will be on high impact news. Once you have done this, the Fast Bull system will filter all other news which is not relevant for you. Okay, so you can use Fast Bull actually to track your news, because it's very important. Fundamentals goes with technical analysis. Don't forget that. The link of Fast Bull is in my description box. You can actually come create an account with them, then sign in. You can always track your chart with them. Okay, before you take a trade, check if you have fundamentals around here. Even in Fast Bull, you can take signals from top traders. Okay, they also have AI signals if you want to take signals anyway. But for the context of this video, I use Fast Bull to check up on fundamentals, on news. Now, after you have seen a news, because this movement you see here is coming from CPI. You see this buy you see here is from CPI. So the thing is, traders will be like, this is a zone where the market will reverse from, right? And on the day of that CPI, let's observe another important zone. Most traders were expecting market to reverse from this zone. Like I told you, market moves from zone to zone. So this is why I took this trade on GBP USD. Market clearly broke this zone, all right? So came back for a retest. It's actually a breakout and retest strategy, which I used here. So a zone is actually an area, okay, where the market is likely to reverse. So let me change the color to yellow, kind of. Make it lineless. So the market is likely to turn from this zone, okay? So it started crashing down. I saw it crashing down. Then when it came into that zone, we had to go down to lower time frame to look out for grabs of liquidity. Let's turn it to 15 minutes time frame. So at this point, the market came into this zone. Let's zoom. Look at this. Market was falling down. So people seeing this will be like, this is a downtrend. Those trading lower time frame, now let's say 15 minutes traders, they will be plotting their trend lines this way to catch these trends to the downside. But of course, this is looking like a trend line liquidity. Okay, there's a dollar sign there. So, but it's not actually a downtrend. It's just retracing back to this zone. Okay. So when it came into this zone, it's created another block. This is another block, a clear one. This is a gap that the market created from here to here. So let me separate this so that we won't have too much diagram to deal with. Let me reduce this. Good. Now look at this other block we have here under 15 minutes time frame. Remember, the market has not come to this zone that time. So what happens is that when the market was coming down to that block, like I told you before, your point of interest, there should be a liquidity or inducement. So the market created this inducement here. This is the kind of inducement triggering people to start joining, like those that couldn't wait or those that doesn't look at inducement. And this is a valid inducement because of this internal structure break. Look at this. Market clearly book structure. So people will be like, this is a change of character, that is pullback, BOS, character change. So they will be putting their orders here, but of course, they all turn to liquidity. Now they came into the block, as you can see. So at this point, I asked my Telegram members to buy GBP USD from this point. So we started buying from here, and of course, the stop loss was even 20 pips. So we had a lot of move to the upside, targeting the next block. This is the next zone, and then TP was actually smashed on Friday. This trade is properly documented in my Telegram channel, and this is just the basics. We took this trade and we are out. We didn't waste time on that. Just quick one. So right now, GBPUSD is on another zone. Like I told you, market out from zone to zone. The next zone now to watch out for is, you see this demand, you see this resistance here. Let me show you. You see this? So market is actually resting upon this resistance, so we don't know yet what will happen. Remember, there must be a confirmation. So let me zoom in properly to see what it's doing. This is actually the tip, and of course the market is on it. So people will be like, this is a double top, but I'm seeing it as a liquidity. Any form of double top is a liquidity for me. All right, so this top, this is the first leg and the second leg. Okay, they would eventually sweep this and then give me a confirmation from this zone. If I see my confirmation, I'm going to sell GBP USD. But for now, nothing to be done. And remember, this is weekend. I'm analyzing this during the weekend. So for now, I'll be watching out for sell on GBP USD. But that is if I get a confirmation from this zone. If this zone didn't hold, then probably, because it's always probability, if the market can also come to this 1.28045, then we can say, okay, it's ready to short. But all depends on the confirmation we get from this. Now let's look at what the higher time frame is even saying. Let's say weekly, monthly, to see the overall picture of GBP USD. I'm not doing a top-down analysis right now. I'm just trying to show you why I bought GBP USD. But let me just go a bit further to overall, let's say weekly time frame of GBP USD. Now look at this. GBP USD weekly time frame is bearish. It's bearish. You know why? Look at this. Market breaking structures to the upside clearly. Someone could call this a break of structure, and it's true. Look at this structure break. And remember, market acts from zone to zone, right? This is another clear structure break here. This, and then we call this a change of character, is it not? So all these things happening here are liquidity build up, either to tap to this last block. Look at this block we have here. This is a weekly block. So we are actually looking at a way to generate a liquidity here. Then markets come up, okay, liquidate this guy. So we may even have more buy before this major sell, because you know weekly time frame is not just what a day trader will come and look at and start taking trades, because it takes a lot of wick for one candle, for 2 or 3 candles to form. But in one candlestick, we can make a lot of profit from it, because one candle contains a lot of pips in a weekly time frame. That's what people don't understand. But if you look at it, just look at it and see, okay, this is the bias. This market can go up to this last block and probably can even fail, can even take this out. Anything can happen in Forex chart. It can even break this resistance we have here, then continue shooting up. Anything is possible. But we are looking at it as a bearish market. But even at that, this market can still go or rally up to this last block, liquidating these guys, then entering this zone before selling, if it is going to sell. So, but we can still be catching our trades while it does all these things under 4-hour time frame, 15 minutes time frame. All right, so that's how I trade Forex. And for now, under 4-hour time frame, we are at a zone. Look at this zone. We are acting on this zone, like I told you, this zone. We don't know what will happen yet, but on confirmation, we now know if it crashes this zone, we can continue taking the buys. Look at the last buy. This is the weekly bias zone. That is the zone we are expecting on a weekly, which we don't know when that will happen. Let me mark it black. This zone is a key important zone, which GBP can crazily run up. Anything can happen. Then invalidating all these crazy support and all that, then tap into that zone. But whichever is the case, as a day trader, because of confirmation, we can always take trades, whether it's buying or it's selling, under lower time frames. So this is it, guys. That's the buy I took on GBP. Check up on our Telegram to check up on our signals, which is always free. Okay. So that will be all for this video. Remember to always track your charts on Fastbull, your economic calendar, even on market. You can also check charts on Fastbull. It's very fast. No dull. Check on the home page. They also provide signals. You can also check top traders who you can actually copy their signal. So I will also discuss Fastbull in details maybe in another video. But now, just work with your economic calendar to check your news. So I will see you guys in my next video. Please subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell on to get updated each time I post a new video. Bye for now, guys.